We are still in Moroleng Stadium. This is where the African National Congress is celebrating 114 years. And we've got a member of the NEC here and also the Deputy Minister of Human Settlements. We are speaking to Umama Uthandi Mahambehlala. Thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you so much, Voice Lounge, for having me.
All right. Namhlanje, we're here to celebrate and also to hear from the President his January 8 statement, to hear what the ANC is moving forward, what is planning to do ahead of the local government elections. What can we expect coming from the member of the NEC and the meetings that you've gone through?
Umongameli uzawuba khona namhlanje njengoko uchilo ukothula umyalezo we-National Executive Committee. And umyalezo we-National Executive Committee uba khona rhoqo ngoJanuary. So umongameli uzawuchaza izinto esizi-achievileyo za last year, achaze nezinto esizawuzenza for this year for abantu base South Africa. Issues of unemployment, which is very key. The GBVF, President uye categorize i-GBVF to a point where at least now kuzaba nayo ifunding ezawujongana nemicimbi ye-GBF. So kuninzi ke upresident azawuza nako esiku-achievileyo singu-African National Congress kwakunye norhulumente wethu okhokhelwe nguPresident Cyril Ramaphosa. So namhlanje it's our last day apha, kodwa kudala sifikile. Saqinisekisa into kokuba ngabana abantu indlela ziyalungiswa, saqinisekisa into kokubana imicelamngeni abantu bebeyiphakamisile like izinto ezifana namanzi, umbane, sizawushiya zikhona, sizawushiya kulayita kule province yase Northwest because besithe bhazalala ukuqinisekisa into kokuba ngamana zonke ezi zinto siyazibonela abantu bathetha nathi freely because the objectives January the 8th and us arriving on time in provinces is for us to be able to interface with the communities and not rely on the leaders that are there that always report, but an interaction with the communities and residents of South Africa and the citizens. It's much more informative than into kokuba uve report ebhaliweyo. So we are busy now with those interventions. The president will definitely assign some of us at the level of government to deal with issues of housing, deal with issues of water. People bakhala ngama-boreholes, bakhala ngamanzi are contaminated because Northwest is an area mines. So those interventions, we did the immediate interventions and sizabuya ke ngoku for long-term interventions.
Do you think maybe being in the Northwest and also, going door to door and visiting families and hearing from the residents as well izikhalo zabo and also actioning on those izikhalazo, how important is it then for the ANC when it goes to the local government elections?
Ibaluleke kakhulu for the ANC yonke lento because eyona nto sibabazayo, it's collaborations. We are enforcing collaborations because we are 3 spheres of government and we are supposed to work hand in glove so that we are able to better the lives of the people. Where the municipalities are unable to unlock service delivery, the national government definitely will have to come and unlock that service delivery. There were many blocked projects, for instance, be it water, be it housing, be it this, and all those projects, we ensure that they are unlocked. So when we come back now, we will come back perhaps saying, here is your borehole, here is your houses, because this January the 8th for us is more informative, very much informative, such that it enables us to plan better at the level of government. So the local government elections were not our preoccupation because if we divert the focus of the birthday of the ANC to local government elections, then abantu won't know the distinction between the two. because we are here to celebrate, and we can't come and celebrate and leave people with nothing. The infrastructure, for instance, even the stadium, we had to make sure that we improve the infrastructure. So we are going to leave Abantu with a better infrastructure. So that is our footprint in all the provinces. We unlock potential, we unlock service delivery, we ensure that Abantu bayancedakala and bayathetha nathi.
Thank you so much for your time and enjoy the celebration.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right, and that was a member of the NEC of the African National Congress. We're just talking about what they brought to the province as they continued with a whole weeks of door-to-door visits here in the province before the January 8th statement, which President Cyril Ramaphosa, the president of the African National Congress, will deliver today.
The Voice Lounge, where voices come to life.